Hello and welcome back to the ZeduHow Series. I'm your host, the jolliest of developers, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how to set up your chatbot. So first of all, what is it that we're going to be doing in today's episode? In today's episode, we are going to be taking on the challenge of building a simple, cool chatbot, and today we're just going to make it say hello. After this, you can go and make your own version of it, and you can do all your other type of stuff. Alright, so let's dive in. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your client setup station. This is where you're going to have your dashboard. This is where you're going to create all your cool stuff. And in case if you did not do this, no problem. Go ahead and create your account. Follow the first episode on how to do it. There will be a link to that episode in the description. So let's dive on in. First thing we're going to do is today we're going to learn about intents. So what is an intent? Well, an intent is what is used to be able to set up a little chatbot. So whenever you get that response like, hey there, and then the bot replies to you, that's what we call a intent. Let's dive on in. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on create an intent. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add training phrases, provide examples of how users will express their intent in natural language. Adding numerous phases with different variations and parameters will improve the accuracy of this intent meaning. What this means is that you might want to put as many different ways as people are going to say hello. Now, that doesn't mean different languages, but you could say like, hey, what's up, how's it going, stuff like that. So all the different ways that you can say hello, try to add that. And it's okay, you can always come back and you can add more if needed. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So I'm just going to add some basic phrases like, first one is going to be hey. After I'm going to do a lowercase, hey. But as you can see, the perfect thing with this is that you don't have to worry about this type of stuff. So if it's lowercase or caps lock or all that different type of stuff, you do not have to worry about it because this is already smart. It already uses Google's training to be able to determine how text could be written and misspelled. However, it's not smart enough to determine different type of phrases. So let's go ahead and do that. So now that we know hey, let's do hello. Then let's say what's up. Try to get these as grammatically correct as possible. And really, I'm just going to have these right now. And then what's the next important part is we're going to scroll down here. And then we're going to go here to responses, right? And if we click on add a response, this is where you can type back what the bot will say. So for example, if I would say hey there, right, it should be say like hello. And then as you can see, the next one pops open. So all I have to do is just hit enter. Hi. Okay, and now I just hit enter, right? Now, you might want to test your robot, your little bot, your chatbot. You want to test it a little bit. So the thing that you have to do is you have to go to the right-hand side of your monitor, and then you're going to click on it. It's going to say try it now. So let's go ahead and try out the bot. And as you can see right now, what happens is that it says here like, user says hey there. Response is hey. And basically these responses will change. So if I were to type in hey again, as you can see, what happens? It changes. And it keeps doing these little things. And the best part is that in case if you didn't add enough responses, that's okay. It'll just go ahead and change them. So that is basics of dialogue flow. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next episode. Until then, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to drop by our new Discord server. Take care.